Hello friend, today we are studying Polyculture 3, BSc first year paper number 3, unit number 1st by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded. Natural food, it can be determined in a two technique. One technique increases a transparent glass filled with pond water. When a glass is kept against light, if the phytoplankton, zooplankton are visible, then pond water contains enough natural food. Another technique includes a sketchy disk. Here, a sketchy disk is depth is considerable to determine the amount of natural food. Fertilizing. Here, if there is no enough natural food present in a pond, then fertilizer should be used to increase amount of that. A pond should be fertilized daily, weekly, at the following rate. Organic fertilizer, cow dung, 1 decimal, 150 to 200 gram, 1 to 1.5 kg. Chicken feces, 1 decimal, 75 to 100 gram daily, weekly 500 to 700 gram. Compost, decimal, 1 decimal, 300 to 400 gram, 2 to 3 kg. Chemical fertilizer, urea, 1 decimal, 5 to 10 gram, 35 to 70 gram weekly. TSP, 1 decimal, 2.5 to 5 kg and 18 to 36 gram weekly. Stocking rate, healthy and disease-free fry must be stocked at a certain rate to gain a good harvest. In a total stock rate must be between 60 to 80 per decimal. Surface feeder 40%, Katla 10%, silver carp 30%, or vice versa. Column feeder Rohu 20%, bottom feeder Mrigal or common carp 30%. Macro vegetation feeder grass carp 10%. Stocking rate, behead or carp can be used to alternate to the Katla. For the polyculture, various type of fishes are stocked for using different feeding level. In this case, 5 to 8 cm of fish is stocked at a rate of 50 to 75 pieces decimal. Stocking density, name is a silver carp, 7 to 12 per decimal, Katla 3 to 4 per decimal, Rohu 5 to 8 per decimal, Mrigal 6 to 10. This is the stocking rate per decimal. Common carp 1 to 2 per decimal. Grass carp 2 to 4 per decimal. Java barb 10 to 15 per decimal. Fry collection packing. Here figure shows the fry collection packing. Healthy and disease-free fry should be collected from the nearer hatchery. To ensure the quality of fry and quality of the brood fish used to spanning should be checked. Fry should be collected in a plastic bag pump with oxygen. Fingerlings is transported, then plastic container should be used which is closely aerated. And nowadays small fishes are become popular at most zero mortality that can be transported more roughly than the fry and fingerlings. Sorry, packing fry is shown in a figure. Put a fry and water, proper aeration given, and with a plastic bag container are packed. And here the different method of packing of fry is shown. Transportation of fry, transporting and releasing the fry carefully is important, very important. Temperature variation must avoidable during the transportation period. Abundant supply of oxygen must be ensured during the transportation. pH, salinity, other chemical factor must be checked before transporting. Optimum density must be followed during the transportation period to reduce the mortality. Size of the seed in mm is shown, and the number could be packed in a range is also shown in a table. Span 10 mm, 35,000 to 50,000. Fry 25 to 20 to 25 mm, 1,000 to 1,050 are in range. Fingerlings 35 mm, 500 to 800. Fingerlings 45 mm, 300 to 500. Fingerlings 55, 200 to 25, 250 in range. Fingerlings of 65 mm 100 to 200, 125 in range. Fingerlings of 75 to 100 in range. Fingerlings of 85 mm 40 to 50. Here the transportation of fry is shown in a diagram. Traditional with vehicle, with bicycle and other way of transportation are given. Nursing process is carried out in both hatchery and aquaculture farm. It is generally carried out in a small pond and tank or in a small HEPA. Here the small fry is transformed into a fingerlings 4 to 5 inches. It helps to decrease the mortality rate. Thank you.